Welcome back to Tech Ally tutorial. Today we are covering React, a powerful tool that makes building web apps super easy and fun. Brushing up on the basis. I will break down each concept in the simple step. Let's get started with React latest features. First, I am going to talk about creating a React element. So, what is a React element? Think of React element like a building blocks. These elements make up everything you see on the screen like a text button or image. Creating a simple React elements. Imagine you want to title on your web page that say Hello Tech Ally tutorial. Here how you do it in the React. In this line of code, create a title and h1 element and place Hello Tech Ally tutorial inside it. Creating a multiple element. Let's say you want to create a multiple element. How you can create? So let's say you want to title and paragraph under it. You can group them inside a container like a div which hold multiple elements. What is JSX? JSX is a tool that lets us write a code that look like a HTML but work as a JavaScript. And simple form it called JavaScript YAML. It is easier to read and write. Instead of using react.create element every time, we can just type JSX and it will so easy and neat and clean code. Our second step is creating a React component. This is very crucial part of while you are working in React. What is a component? Component are the reusable piece of UI like a Lego blocks you can mix and match. They let us keep code organized and avoid repeating ourselves. Creating a simple component, we have a basic example here. This component can be used like a HTML tag. Then next step we need to understand the props like a property. What is a props? Props are like a custom details that you give to component, helping them change based on what you want. Imagine you want to greet a different people. So when using it, you can set name to the whatever. If you want to rendering the list are everywhere, from product list to the user profile. Here how to render the simple list. This code display will each fruit in item list. Third is very complex functionality. React hooks are a tool that help and more feature to functional component like a managing a countdown, timer, fetching data. Basic hooks we mostly, if I talk about user state, so let's say you want to a button that count a click and user state keep track this number. So first you need to create a one function. You need to count every click of function. You need to count the number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So every time you click set count, update the counts and React display the new count. Then coming to the next hooks that is called use effect. Hooks let you to do when the component load or update. For example, changing the page title based on the count means whenever you are clicking your page of title it will change, and whenever you are going to click your page of title is changing and it will count the times how many times you have clicked on that title. So this run every time and count and changes and updating the page of title. And third is also we can fetch the data with the hooks. You can use effect to fetch data from the API. Means if you are working in a real time scenario, you should fetch using the use effect. You can fetch any data from the API. So you need to write a simple code for that. Use effect and fetch. Then you need to write a then and response and your JSON file, and then you need easily you can print using the console.log based on whatever data you are fetching. So once you fetch that component load your data. So these are the basic major functionality there while you are working in React. So guys, in this video we learned how to create elements, building components, work with hooks. These are the latest and most useful feature in React. Once you practice a bit, you will be creating awesome apps with no time. And remember to, if you like this video, please subscribe and let me know if there anything else you want to learn about React.